Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Deva Ananda. You must get tired of learning that way. And now I would like to inform the tutorial of educational games for those of you who are teaching but don't wish to bore your children. The first way to Google, then click the search Educandy. After checking out or showing up, on the website, you click website the first one. Don't forget to click Educandy Making Learning Sweater. When it comes up like this, you can click the third line on the right corner to get into your email account. Make sure you have an email account. Click sign in, and after sign in your email and a password input. When it comes in, it will appear like this. And then select whatever educational games you want. You choose the one in the picture, create a list of words, matching pairs, and quiz question. Here I want to choose create list of words. After choosing the games you want, type in the names and activity you want to make, like the subject you want to make, and you click create. Next, click add question. You can make the problem you want to make and then click the correct answer. From the problem you make yes, after which 1, 2, 3 alternative clicks to fill out the answer option on your question. Next, you click add question to a view question and then you pop up like this. After that, you can click a copy of the link to give your student for them to work on the problem you have created. Once you give that link to your student, will appear like this. Click that picture and then the game will appear, and that's it. Games are played by your kids and they won't get bored. You can make the game any different about it. It was a tutorial to make the educational games most useful, and see you in further information on the other tutorial. Thank you.